So I wanted to go on a medicine walk with that same question in my mind. What is freedom? And the whole idea of a medicine walk is to hold an intention and then to notice things that you see. So the question, I guess, with freedom, which alludes back to the previous discussion on balanced forces, where is the point between freedom and what's destructive? Can we find that place within ourselves, a place of balance between perhaps just us and the earth, or not just us and the earth, but us and other people? But start someplace. Maybe it's just things within your own self that you find destructive or not. Your own practices in what you do with your home or not. Your own practices in what you choose to be a part of and not. Well, there's a little offshoot here that I hadn't seen before. So maybe in your own practices, you can take a different path. You can at least check out a new path just by one small action. Do one small thing until it becomes a habit, and then try another small thing. The freedom to change just within ourselves might be a starting point for freedom within all. I want to go back up to the trees as I see this notching in the tree in the different directions it's able to take itself. So the freedom just to choose a different direction, to make it personal. It perhaps does something better for the earth, and step by step leads us all into some kind of greater freedom.